I'm Clint DeBoer from Pro Tool Reviews, here with another new tool tip-off you don't want to miss. We've all seen professional landscapers rip the guards off their trimmers, let out tons of string, and go to town. Manufacturers, well, they kind of hate that. Well, except ECHO, apparently. Their new SRM-410X Straight Shaft Trimmer slings out a 20-inch cutting swath. And it's designed with enough horsepower to do it all day long. The fact that it has a large 33.8-ounce fuel tank seems to back that up. The commercial ECHO string trimmer basically takes the power of the SRM-410U brush cutter, ditches the U handle, and puts it in a string trimmer. It gives you a 60.2-inch straight steel shaft powered by a 42.7cc two-stroke commercial gas engine. Backing up that motor is a pleated air filtration system that you can change with just a screwdriver. This trimmer looks perfect for tall, heavy grasses, hilly terrain, ditches, anywhere you need to take out large areas of weeds and overgrowth. It includes a Speed Feed 450 trimmer head and 095 black diamond trimmer line. ECHO paid some attention to operator comfort too, using what it calls an extra heavy-duty vibration reduction system. Between that, the cushioned front handle, and the included harness, well, this should work together towards making this a pretty easy string trimmer to carry around and use, even for hours at a time. This is also a blade-capable trimmer. With the inclusion of the debris shield, barrier bar, blade mount hardware, and the harness, it's ready to transition to a brush cutter blade when needed. Priced at just under $550, this trimmer definitely qualifies as a workhorse model designed for intense work. ECHO also covers it with a 2-year commercial warranty and a 5-year consumer warranty. Overall, the ECHO SRM-410X looks like it might test out as one of, if not the most powerful trimmers available in the commercial market. Check back in with us every Thursday and Saturday as we post new tool reviews and head-to-head comparisons of the latest and greatest products. Also, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.